Apple released macOS Tahoe 26.5.1 on June 1, 2026. This update is a patch. It came out 3 weeks after macOS 26.5. It does not add features. The update fixes a stability problem. This problem affected some enterprise users on M5 hardware. The update works on all Macs running macOS Tahoe. You can install it through System Settings under Software Update. According to Apple's notes, macOS 26.5.1 fixes an issue. Macs with the M5 chip could shut down suddenly. This happened when using content filtering network extensions. These extensions are common in businesses and schools. They help manage internet access. On M5 machines running macOS 26.5, these extensions could cause a shutdown. This was a disruption for managed computers. The fix is small on purpose. There are no security patches. The Darwin kernel version is still 25.5.0. Safari is still version 26.5. No bundled apps have been updated. The build number changed from 25F71 in macOS 26.5 to 25F80 in 26.5.1. Apple will unveil macOS 27 at WWDC 2026 on June 8th. The next major version will drop support for Intel Macs, and it will introduce features. A first developer beta of macOS 26.6 has already been released. Apple is still working on the Tahoe line. For now, macOS 26.5.1 fixes a problem for some enterprise users. It makes the Tahoe release cycle more stable before WWDC.